Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to show page and section breaks in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to show page and section breaks in this document. Firstly, create some section break. Go to the first page and click the last on the page, then go to layout menu, then click breaks drop down menu, then choose next page. Then we can see we create a section break, but we cannot show this. Now we want to show this section break. Go to the view menu, then click outline option, then zoom out our document, and we can see here we see the section break very easily. Then click close outline view. Again go back our page. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.